Vidya, I'm going for a round on my cycle. Come join me.
Okay.
This t-shirt is bright and has reflective stripes. They help you to stay visible even when it is absolutely dark. We need to wear a helmet when we are riding a cycle.
These knee and elbow guards will protect us from any serious injury during a fall.
Yeah, we need to take all the necessary precautions. The cycling gear will make us look very cool once you put them on. We are the engines of our cycle, so we need to stay hydrated and energized. Hey, don't honk to have fun. We use it to indicate our presence to other road users.
Neeraj, it's very important to wear this helmet, right?
Yes, our heads have to be properly protected to avoid any serious head injuries. Put the helmet on properly and fasten the chin strap, keeping one finger space between the neck and the chin strap.
Yes. Should we start?
Wait, did you check both the brakes of the front and the rear? Always check if they are working before you start cycling. Always grip the brake gears with our fingers. Also, check if the lights are working, especially when you ride in the dark, and check the horn as it is an important instrument for signaling and warning others on the road. Let's start riding, but at a safe speed and be in control of it at all times.
This speed is good. We can easily give way to pedestrians and other vehicles too. Neeraj, some places have designated cycle lanes which makes it so convenient to ride.
Yes, otherwise we need to ride on the edge of the road. Also, do you see how we are riding with the flow of the traffic? Never ride against the flow of the traffic.
The light will turn red by the time we get there.
Vidya, let's get off the cycle.
Why? This is so much fun.
Yes, it is. There is a lot of traffic. It's safer to get off the cycle and push it. Remember, cyclists are prone to mishaps on the road.
Okay, the light has turned green. Let's go now.
This street is so narrow and busy. We are riding past many parked cars, so we have to be careful.
Yeah, Neeraj. Car doors may open suddenly, causing us injuries or falls. We should be very careful when riding near parked cars. The car door might be open. Getting hit by an open car door can lead to serious injuries.
It's called dooring, what we cyclists fear the most.
Neeraj, riding around larger vehicles like cars and buses is also risky as the driver cannot see us.
Oh, yes, they may not even notice our presence when they change directions. This could be fatal for cyclists, so it's best to avoid riding in these areas known as blind spot. To keep safe, we must ride at maximum distance from larger vehicles. The key is to make sure we are visible at all times on the road.
And it's better to wear bright and reflective clothing, just like the one we're wearing now. Today we cycled so much and I don't feel any pain.
This is because cycling is one of the best forms of exercise. It's an easy, economical, and eco friendly mode of transport for us youngsters. We feel quite independent as it helps us through our daily short commutes, like going to the grocery store, going for classes, or visiting nearby places.
Cheers to happy and safe cycling!